What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Nike Air Max 90 in the Supernova colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is an Australian-based jewelry and accessory company, and for someone like me who doesn't really wear too many accessories on the daily, their products are very versatile and very wearable. So right now they're having their end of financial year sale, where my viewers only through that link down below will be able to get 25% off their entire purchase. In addition, if you guys use the code SEAN at checkout, you'll be able to stack an additional 10% off your entire order as well. I know a lot of my personal favorites have sold out already, so don't hesitate too long, things are moving quickly. And with many areas still affected by COVID-19, don't worry, they are still shipping throughout this global crisis. This pair dropped on Saturday, June 20th as part of a greater Nike Space Pack. Based on what I've heard, this collection was a Footlocker brand exclusive, and I managed to grab my pair over at Footlocker.ca here in Canada. These guys retailed for $130 US or $170 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is black, metallic silver, and racer blue. So we've seen Nike apply this whole galaxy or space theme on shoes before, but I gotta say these Air Max 90s are probably one of the loudest I've seen of them all. Diving straight in, starting things off with the toe box, this is constructed out of nylon, and as you can see, we have a space themed or galaxy themed print, which is different on both the left and the right foot. Surrounding the toe box, we have this black textile, which to the touch sort of feels like a soft rubber, but the texture sort of feels like a canvas as well. Overlaid on top of this, running down the length of the shoe, we have a black synthetic leather mudguard, which is accented with racer blue colored stitching. The eye stays on these Air Max 90s is done in a combination of this teal color and crimson at the top, and stitched on top of the midfoot of both sides of the sneaker, we have this metallic silver colored swoosh. Next to this, we have this cutaway on the mudguard, which exposes this white and black plastic with Air Max branding. We have more of that space or galaxy print, which covers the ankle collar area and also wraps around the back heel. And then on the center of the back heel, we have this white colored rubber bumper with Nike Air branding in black. Hanging off the right foot, there's also this hang tag, which has the words SN for Supernova 2020. The laces on this pair is a flat style black lace, but they do come with colored lace tips, which was a nice added touch. And then underneath this, we have a nylon tongue, which has that galaxy print on it, and it's accented with a very loud metallic silver tag at the top with Nike branding on it. The back side of the tongue is colored in this turquoise color, and then you'll see that the inner collar of the shoe is done in this blue colored shade. Taking out the insoles, these also come with custom insoles as well, which are primarily colored in black, but we have this space themed graphic on the heel with a Nike swoosh. The upper of these Air Max 90s sits atop this foam midsole, which is primarily painted in white, but the heel wedge is painted in black, and it incorporates this white speckle paint, which kind of gives off the illusion of stars. Underneath the heel, we have this cutaway, which exposes a red or crimson colored Air Max unit for cushioning. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Air Max 90 outsole. For the most part, this is constructed out of a white colored rubber. However, we have this hit of crimson on the very top and turquoise rubber on both sides of the back heel. From a sizing standpoint, my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I stuck true to size with this pair and they fit me great. Usually for Air Max 90s, I wear anywhere between a 10 or 10.5, but I found that most of the Air Max 90s that have released since Nike has redone the shape, they fit me perfectly fine true to size. Moving on, in terms of the comfort on this shoe, I gotta say this was actually pretty comfortable. I find that the foam cushioning on Air Max 90s differ from pair to pair. Sometimes like the off-white Air Max 90s, those feel like a rock on foot, but other pairs like this one incorporates a much softer foam cushioning, which to me feels great on feet. So to me at least, these would be a really good shoe to wear for long hours throughout a day. Finally, from a quality standpoint, I wasn't totally happy with this shoe, and I don't know if this was limited to my pair only, but there was quite a few loose threads that I had to trim, and the materials they used on this pair felt pretty basic, and I can say I've definitely seen better quality materials on other GR Air Max 90s. With all that out of the way, let's lace up these Supernova Air Max 90s and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. To me, this is a really unique, really loud pair, which is for sure gonna turn heads when you wear them in public. With that said though, being perfectly honest with you guys, I think that I kind of preferred the initial images of the shoe more so than actually now having them in hand. To me, it's almost a little bit too loud, and I think that the overall colors and the patterns on the shoe kind of reminds me of like a kid's sneaker. So right now, at the time that I'm filming this, I'm kind of on the fence. It's still a pretty cool concept, I just don't know how many times I can actually wear these. So I'm curious to know what you guys think about these Supernova Nike Air Max 90s. Are you guys feeling the color scheme and the patterns on the shoe, or are you like me and it's a little bit too loud for you? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8. Check out my Twitter at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. Before I end this video, another shout out goes out to the sponsor for today's video, Rose Gold & Black. So again, be sure to check them out, links are down below. So until next time, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.